Today we are going to look at how to find LCM, or the least common multiple of two or more numbers using some tricks and tips. Let's take, for example, 2, 4, 8 and 16. When we look at these numbers, we can say that 2, 4 and 8 are factors of 16, or 16 is a multiple of 2, 4 and 8. Therefore, 16 is the LCM. Now let's take, for example, take another example, 35 and 70. Now 35 is a factor of 70, or 70 is a multiple of 35. Therefore, you can say that 70 is the LCM of 35 and 70. Now let's take some 3-digit numbers. You have 175, 182 and 350. Let's first look at our normal school method or division method of solving this. What we have been taught. You take all three numbers together. Now, the common factor of 175 and 350 is 5. The common factor of 182 and 350 is 2. So let's go with 5 first, as 175 and 182 do not have any common factors. Let's go with 5. So you get 35. We put 182 as it is, as it's not divisible by 5. And 70. We can again go with 5. We'll bring down 182 as it is. Now we can see that 7 is a common factor of all three numbers. Now 2 is a common factor. Thirteen is a prime number, so we'll just take 13 as it does not have any other factor. So now the LCM of all these numbers is 5 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 13, which will give you 4,550. Now let's look at a shorter method. Now here we can see that 175 is a factor of 350. So we will cross out 175. And we will not take 175 at all. We'll just take 182 and 350. We will eliminate 175. Now the common factor of 182 and 350 is 2. We have to go with the highest common factor. Now the common factor is 7. Now between 13 and 25, there are no common factors. So 2 into 7 into 13 into 25 will give you 4,550. We have got the same answer, but with a very few number of steps. We have arrived at this answer. Let's take another example and let's use only the shorter method. So we are going to use only the short method. We will look at the highest common factor. Let's take 15. So 15 eights are 14s are. Now, are there any other common factors between these three numbers? 8 and 14 have a common factor as 2. Now, these three numbers do not have any common factor. So, your LCM is 15 into 2 into 4 into 7 into 15. So, you calculate it and you get 12,600 as 15s are 225 to 2 into 28. It will give you 12,600 as the LCM. Can you see that the number of steps have drastically reduced? So what we do is first we will find the highest common factor of the numbers and divide the numbers by the highest common factor, and then we will see if there are any other common factors and we will divide by that. So this is a shorter method of finding the LCM. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging and enriching maths videos.